Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2012 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, remote keyless entry, front license plate bracket, front stabilizer bar, rear stabilizer bar, 160 amp alternator, speed control, body color door handles, dual note horn, fog lamps. Inside you'll find steering wheel audio controls, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, leather wrapped steering wheel, overhead console, cloth bucket seats. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.